Okay, now if you have a problem about the output of the video that you are editing using the Adobe Premiere Pro, so there must be a problem on the sequence setting. So before we going to have that, so let us create a new project first by clicking File and then New Project. So you can rename this one sample video. So make sure that the general settings will be like this for your project. So the renderer must be this one, micro playback engine, GPU acceleration, OpenCL. So it depends on the graphics processor if it is okay for you to use this. If it is not, so you just have to click this one, or but it will affect the time of the video rendering. So anyway, let's continue. So the settings will be like this. Make sure that the capture format is HTV and then click OK. And then after that, you're going to create a new sequence. So you just have to click File and then New and then Sequence. So the sequence will determine the output of the video that you are working with. So make sure that as per instruction by the FilProducts, so that they can show the video, it will be aired on their channel, TV channel. So they require us, or it is being required that we have this format, HTV and then HTV 1080, 30 frame rates of, or with the description, HTV 1080i with the time base of 29.97 frame rates. Here's the frame size, the resolution 1440 by 1080. Make sure that it is 1.3. If not, the settings is wrong. So make sure that you just have to use the sequence presets, because we already have here a lot of here. So this is the ones being required by the FilProducts. And then you're going to name the sequence, or you can stay at the name will stay as it is. So okay. And then you can now import all the video clips, pictures, audios that you need in editing the video. So let's have this one as an example. Okay, and then you can drag it to your sequence and just keep existing settings. And then after that, so let's say for example, you are done editing your video and now you are ready to export it. Control M, and then after, the format should be for MP4 format. This is what you're going to choose. So H.264 preset, just this one. Okay, you can rename the output name. So depending on, again, depending on the name that you like for your video. So, and then after that, look at the summary. Look at the summary. It should be 1440 by 1080 and 1.3. If this is 1, okay, your video settings or sequence settings is not correct, or it is wrong. So you need to change that one. So this should be, so our source is, the source and the output's the same because we have done the correct settings. Okay, and after that, make sure that you click the use preview so that it will be much faster for you to export or save the video, because it will use the rendered videos that you already have. So it will be very much faster. And then you can export. Now, what if you are already done making the project, but the settings is, the sequence settings is not correct? So all you need to do is to open your project, Premiere Pro project, and just create a new sequence. Okay. And after that, okay, click OK. And then go back to the first sequence that you made, which is not having the correct format. Just Control A, or you can select it using your mouse, Control A and then Control C to copy it. And then after that, you're going to paste it, Control V. And then with the correct sequence settings, you can render this again. And then Control M to export. And then you already have the correct output, and then export. Okay, so that's it. So I hope that you learned something about this. And thank you for watching the video.